Hello and welcome to MaseroGarage. In today's video, we're going to be showing you how we installed carpet in our 1977 Chevy Nova.
Yes, the pre-molded carpet that we ordered it from factoryinteriors.com and it was manufactured by ACC. So if you want to see the final result, make sure to stick around. Now that our floor is rust-free and properly insulated, we're just gonna give it a good clean and vacuum before we install the carpet. We got this pre-molded carpet for our Nova from factoryinteriors.com and including fees and shipping, it was $168. We are just now doing a test fit to see how well it fits the car. Now that we've done the test fit in the front, we're going to repeat the same process in the back. We're going to make sure that every part of the floor will be covered once we install the carpet. Now that we've found some points of reference for the fitting of the carpet, we can take out the front carpet and we're going to start with the rear one. Now we're going to install every bolt that needs to be installed at some point in this vehicle. So we're going to be installing the mounting bracket bolts for the seat and the bolts for the seat belt. With all the bolts installed, it's really easy to find them through the carpet. So just press on them, find where they are, and then use a box cutter or utility knife and cut a hole for the bolt. Now we can lift up the carpet, remove the bolt, and then install it over the carpet so we have something that secures the carpet in place. We are going to repeat the same steps for the other bolt that holds the other seat belt. With the carpet secure in place, now it's time for the heat. Use a hair dryer or a heat gun to apply gentle heat over the carpet so that it molds really well to the floor. It's important to start from the center and work your way out towards the edges.
Next, we're using a light spray adhesive on the floor to secure the carpet to the floor pan so it doesn't slide around once we install it. After allowing a little time for the glue to get tacky, we're finally placing the carpet into place using firm pressure to make sure that it molds to the floor pan, and then using a little bit of heat to ensure that the carpet still stays pliable.
And now we're going to repeat the same steps in the other side. Now we're finding again those bolts through the carpet and making the holes with the utility knife so that we can install the mounting brackets for the vents. And that is it for the rear. Let's move to the front now. We're going to start by placing the front carpet on the floor and right away applying some heat. This carpet from ACC seems like it fits pretty well, but it did come with quite a bit of wrinkles, so we're trying to work those out before we install anything permanently. Be very patient with the heat gun because it does take quite a bit of time. We were applying heat to the carpet probably for an hour. When you are finally satisfied with how the carpet is fitting over the floor, then again, starting from the center, working your way out, we're going to apply some adhesive and we're going to glue the carpet down. We're using a rubber roller over the carpet to try to get as many wrinkles out of it.
And now we're going to apply the adhesive in the other side of the carpet. After both sides are secure around the transmission tunnel, we are going to cut the holes for the mounting brackets of the seats.
And after some more heat, we installed the mounting brackets that we made for the vents.
This is the part of the installation where we got a little confused. The carpet that came from ACC had all of this extra material that would overlap over the kick panel vent. So we just ended up cutting this excess fabric so that it didn't cover this and we would be able to properly install our kick panel. We did the same on the driver's side with the exception of making a hole for the high beam switch in the floor.
Now we're going to cut a small square in the carpet so that we can install the screws that hold in place the metal plate over the door jamb. These metal plates are the last thing that we will be installing that actually help to hold the carpet in place.
Now that the other plate is installed, the carpet is officially done. And here's the final product, including the bench that we reupholstered ourselves. Make sure to check out that video on our channel if you haven't seen it yet.
Thank you all so much for watching. As you could see, the carpet installation turned out very well. The ACC carpet overall, it was very good. It wasn't perfect, but it turned out pretty good.
Yeah, we're happy with it overall, and if we had to do it again, we'd probably do the same thing. But the biggest deal to us was the few wrinkles that came in that pre-molded carpet. It's like it was molded with those wrinkles in there, and it was
really hard
to get out, like harder than I think it should have been. We left it out in the sun. We used a very strong hairdryer for a long period of time, and it's still it took it sitting in the car for a long time for it to completely just relax, which is fine, but I feel like it probably shouldn't have happened that way.
But for a pre-molded carpet, I think it did make the job easier, not having to cut your own carpet and everything. So I would definitely recommend going with this.
Yeah.
So I hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure to check out all of our other videos. We have the video where we reupholstered the vents. Make sure to check that one out. And make sure to subscribe because we'll have so many more videos coming soon. And
We'll
that's
see you
it.
soon.
Bye.
Bye.